Okay, so fields, why are fields real or are they just a convenience? Because by the
100%
way,
real.
you are partially in the Department of Philosophy there.
Yeah.
So I get to
very
ask
much.
you philosophically leaning questions.
I'm not allowed to say that's a philosophy question and ignore it. I actually have to answer those
You
questions.
actually have to
Yes,
answer it.
That's my job.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. So the story that we tell in the book is if you were 1895, right? If you were just before the turn to the 20th century, you would have thought that matter, tables and chairs, was made of particles,
Right.
stuff. We knew about electrons, you knew about atoms. And you would have thought that the forces between the atoms were mediated by fields, the gravitational field, the electric field, the magnetic field. And one of the great triumphs of quantum physics in the 20s and 30s was it said it's all fields. Electricity and magnetism are fields, but so are electrons and quarks and neutrinos.
Mm-hmm.
And they vibrate in different ways. And through the miracle of quantum mechanics, when you look at those vibrating fields, they appear to us as particles. The particles come out of the field.
Is this an early variant of what would later be string theory, where they're saying particles are vibrations in the strings?
Well, particles are vibrations in the fields, and that's absolutely accurate in the regimes we're talking about here. Is there something deeper that they could be vibrations of, strings, etc.? That's a speculative idea, very, very promising,
much
but we
smaller
just
scale,
don't
that
know.
would
Yeah,
be,
much
right.
smaller. We don't need to know for predicting what's going to come out of the Large Hadron Collider.
Okay,
at
so
CERN.
so let me
Cool.
ask you a blunt question, which sounds stupid, but I think it's a meaningful question. Do electrons exist?
Ooh.
As
Now wait, is that a science or a philosophical question?